Hello aviation history buffs, this is my first YouTube video, so if I suck, that's because I suck. For my first video, I'm doing a little aviation memorabilia subject here. As you can see, it's, what is it? It's a Flying Fortress alarm clock. As you can see, apparently these came out in the late 90s. I think you could find them in your local aviation museum gift shop. I know the National Warplane Museum in Elmira, New York had a bunch of these in their gift shop. And inadvertently, my mother got me one for Christmas as an early teenager. It has one special feature to it that's pretty cool. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not, but there's this little round button here at the base. You press that, and this is what happens. Now, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a little LED light bulb in the nose there that lights up, and of course, as you could tell, the props turn. I think it's pretty cool. Came in a big box, and I don't have the box anymore, but it came with a little sheet of peel and sticks decals that you could place on your model. This is all just plastic, not exactly high-end, but you know, looks cool on your desk or by your bed, because I've used it several times for waking me up in the morning and for work. But I've had it in storage for a while, and I finally got it back out and put it on top of my mantle in my living room with the rest of my aviation memorabilia. It's made by Time, and I don't think they make them anymore. I've checked all over the internet, and I really can't find much on them anymore. I do know that this is the natural metal finished version, and I know they did have ones that were olive drab, but I don't see those very often. I've checked on eBay. A few pop up on eBay, and they generally run between $100 and $120. But it is a cool piece. Has this little cover here for the button. I don't know why they got that there for, but that's that for that. And I just press the button and it plays. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Now, if you're a big airplane buff like me, you know, something like this you find pretty cool. I think everyone should have one. I'm not selling for the company, which I don't even think are in business anymore. Again, I can't find really much information on the company. I don't know if they made any other type of airplanes as an alarm clock like this or not, but this was frequently seen in museum gift shops, and I don't think you see them much anymore. I think, you know, people bought them up, and they're not made anymore. So it is a cool clock, and I often I turn on the props there while I'm reading aviation book or cleaning the house, just for a little backdrop sound. Everyone likes the sound of a B-17, right? So why not? So it's pretty cool. I don't know, I hope you can hear that. I guess that's all for today. Leave me some comments. I enjoy chatting with people, conversation on airplanes, and if you want to talk about this, go right ahead. Maybe you have one too. So, to all my military aviation history buffs out there, and aviation buffs in general, have a good one. Thank you.